Enoylity technology.
Hey guys, Milind over here, and we are having the latest Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. It is the best Android tablet you can buy yet out in the market. Even considering the iPad Pro, there are many amazing features that this tablet actually offer. Let's quickly have a look at the unboxing of this package and see what is inside it. Here we go. Okay. So we got the tablet, first of all, inside the box upon opening. Wow, it feels very light in terms of a weight, even considering it out that it's a tablet with having a 12.4 inches screen. Pretty nice, Samsung. Let's have a look what's inside the box. So here it seems we got a charger. Okay, yeah, it's a power adapter. It's a normal power adapter, a 9 volt, I could say 15 watts. It's not that super fast 45 watt charger. You need to get that thing separately. Apart from this, here seems to be the documentation, warranty card, quick start guide, and all that stuff. Also, there is the USB Type-C cable which we get inside the box, and the special thing which makes the tablet special, the S Pen. Yeah, Samsung always include the S Pen inside their box, unlike the Apple Pencil which we need to get separately. I mean, Samsung has done a great job in terms of the latency of this S Pen. They have reduced it to the 9 millisecond, which actually makes the writing feels like we're actually writing on a real paper. Okay, let's have a look at the tablet. Let me peel off this plastic and take out the tablet. The most satisfying thing, guys. Wow. Pretty slippery. So here we are having the tablet, the 12.4 inch, the perfect size requested by lots of customers. Perfect for watching content, gaming, and multitasking, especially for the productive stuff. We got quad speakers with the tablet, and they sound really immersive when played with the Dolby Atmos enabled. In the bottom side, we have some magnetic attachment for the keyboard cover. On the top, we got the volume rockers and a power on off button. In the rear side, we got the dual camera. One is the primary lens and another is a ultra wide angle. And really, the finish is so amazing. It really feels very premium. Now let's power it on. Here we go. Alright, amazing. Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, powered by Android, Samsung. It's a first boot, probably taking a little bit, starting Android. Let's go. Okay, so let me just go ahead and set this tablet quickly. And here, all done. Let's see the first screen. Wow, amazing. The colors looks pretty vibrant, pretty sharp. The screen is really amazing, guys. Let me just get into the landscape mode, because Samsung has actually placed the camera in a pretty proper position. Perfect for Zoom calls, Google Meets and all that stuff. The display seems to be very smooth. I mean, 120 Hertz. Even at this resolution, it's super fluid, guys. Really amazing. Alright, so that's a quick unboxing of this amazing tablet. The full review is actually coming. Thumbs up the like button and share this video. And for now, peace out.